We're looking at skill 2.5, changing data type in a datasheet view. Your code word for this lesson will be WEST, W-E-S-T. And what we're looking at here is I have this sort of the same table we were working with last lesson. So this time I kind of changed it up here. I have the salary as a number, and you may find that you're working with a table and you decide that you want to change the data type. Maybe you don't want just a number there, you want to have currency. The way to do that, you can see here I'm in the Fields tab in the Table Tools. And up here in the data type, I can just select a new data type. You can almost, not always, but you can try changing the data type. Now if it's a data type you can't change it to, it won't let you. But here I can switch it right over to currency like that, and now you can see it's putting the $ and the decimal places. If I came over to the field where my name is, came over, tried to change it to currency, it's going to give me an error. It's going to say some data may be lost because you can see my name can't be formatted as currency. So I can say yes, and it will change that field to currency, but it'll lose my name. I'm going to go ahead and hit no. Another thing here is I have start date. I typed it in there. Again, you can see it's text. I'm just going to switch views. I'm going to switch over to the design view here, and you can see each field that I have, and you can see each data type. Now if I change that start date to date time and save that, it's going to say the same thing. It's one's going to be deleted. I can say yes, go back to my table, and now it deleted that date because it couldn't convert August 2nd. But now you can see my dates. It's a date field again. So that's kind of how you change them. Another thing, while we're in here, it's kind of a shorter lesson, I do want to go look at the design view again. Design view is really where, if you know what you want to do with your table, that's a good place to create it, other than the data sheet view. And here I can type in, okay, I have a start date, and I have name, well, and then I have, what was the other one? It was, let's call it type, and that's text also. Salary is currency. Let's go bonus, and then over here I can say yes or no field, and I can say resume as an attachment. You can see I can start to fill in all the different types that I have. I can start to create my table. Works a lot better here in the design view, and also this is another place where I can change it. Maybe salary, we don't want currency, we want it actually number. I can change it there as well, and you can also give notes to it. Type, we can say, adjunct or full time, something like that. Currency, you can say like hourly rate. These are just for your own reference to help you out. Another thing, you have properties down here. Let's just add, and this is a number. I can look, and I got properties, the field size, a long integer, decimal places, some formats, some other things you can do with that. This is where the power of your creating your table really exists, in the design view. So that's really lesson 2.5. Again, I gave you the code word already, so that finishes this up.